Here is some footage from earlier of me just finishing the last of my 6x6. Last 3 moves. I'm on PLL. I think this is done. Unless I get a parity, I've solved it. Yeah, so that was a bit more than just 3 moves. It's because I decided to add in a bit extra. So now for the topic of the video. The topic of the video today is an unboxing. It's an unboxing of this. Do you know what this is? Well, first off, it's another cool bag. Feels really nice to crush. It's I have 2 bags now. Yeah, because this one was a Mofangchi, and then this one's a Moyu. So this one is slightly taller than the black one, so you can probably fit like cuboids in this one. The topic of the video today is it's a Moyu Lingpo puzzle. Well, Moyu puzzle. It's the Moyu Lingpo 2x2 stickerless. So let's go. I don't collect boxes, but I hate ripping them because it's just so bad and rubbish and annoying. So, oh, I ripped it. Looks like they've got instructions. This video was supposed to come out yesterday, but it didn't because it didn't upload on time. We don't need this. We need this. Oh, it's in a wrapper. Whoops. Didn't realize. Just joking. I don't want to get it right. Oh no, it's fake. I'm really bad at opening packages like this. Thumbs up if you can't open a package with plastic on it. Oh my god. I use my teeth. Yes, it's out. Oh, I actually kind of like the tensioning on this. I don't think I'm going to tension this. Very crunchy. Can't really get it to be quiet. Like, you can hear even that. So let's try a solve. I don't actually have a proper method for 2x2 yet. I just do it and solve it. Cause, yeah, it does have a really crunchy feeling. From 22 1 2. There you go, nice solve. I'm going to pause the video, learn a quicker method, and then come back. See you soon. Okay guys, looks like I've got a method, it's called Ortega. So let me just inspect. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Done. That wasn't that long. I practiced a bit, but yeah. Yeah, that was a good solve. Okay, that's gonna wrap up this video today, guys. Today I solved 2 by 2, 6 by 6. Sorry, my language fell. Yeah. So this was a fun video to make. Hope it was a fun video to watch. So bye. 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 The camera won't turn off.